And fragmentation of efforts makes us all very vulnerable. So we need to share resources, information, expertise, also of equipment and information on testing and treatment equipment protocols. We need a coherent EU-wide response. This response, of course, involves substantial funding. For example, under the leadership of our colleague Maria Gabriele from Horizon 2020, in total 47.5 million euros that are being made available for urgently needed research on vaccine development, treatment and diagnosis in order to fight the disease. The Commission is also contributing up to 45 million euros towards a fast-track call for proposals for the development of COVID-19 treatment and diagnosis launched by the Innovative Medicines Initiative. That is a public-private partnership between EU and the pharmaceutical industry. Obviously, many businesses, many business owners, many employees, they worry in these days. And as regards national support measures, obviously the Commission stands ready to work with Member States to ensure that measures can be put in place in a timely manner. We have established a dedicated contact point for Member States to provide them with guidance under the possibilities under EU rules. These are, and of course I shall make this very short, threefold. First, many Member States are putting in place general measures that are available to all companies. These do not fall under state aid control, and of course my service stands ready to clarify if there is a need. Second, state aid rules as such, they provide ample scope for help to companies to cope with liquidity shortages and the need for urgent rescue aid. Furthermore, the Commission is also here to discuss possible support measures to compensate companies for damages due to COVID-19. This is foreseen under the Article 107(2)(b) of the Treaty in exceptional circumstance, as those caused by this virus outbreak. Third, the situation in Italy is particularly severe. So, in addition to what I have just outlined, we stand ready to work with Italy on additional measures that may be needed as a remedy to the serious disturbance to their economy. And this is foreseen under the Article of 107(3)(b) of the Treaty.
We commend the Italian authorities for the very courageous measures they are taking. We know that they will put a great strain on the Italian people, but it's better to take those bold measures now to protect as many people as possible from the virus. We will support Italy and its people by any means and measures at our disposal. Every EU country faces a different situation. Every country is taking the most appropriate steps tailored to its specific situation. We are coordinating closely, and our common goal is to contain the virus. We can withstand this shock. Our economic fundamentals are strong. Our economies will be able to rebound once this shock is absorbed. In the meantime, we have to help those who are most affected, starting with the small and medium-sized companies and the sectors of the economy that are exposed most. As President von der Leyen just said, our focus now is on helping the real economy so that we can